Hi, welcome back to the Ojingi video series. In this video, we'll be seeing how to add a customer to the Ojingi database. So once you log into the Ojingi, on the right side on the top, there's a customer plus button wherein we add all the customers who into the database. And once you click it, this is the screen you'll be seeing. So once update all the fields like the first name, last name, and all those things. After updating the first name, last name, and other parameters, we need to update the date of birth. So for updating the date, when you click on this, you'll be seeing the current year and the current month. So if you want to go to the previous months, click on this. You'll be seeing the calendar here for all this current year. And if you want to go to the previous years, click on the year. You can see all the 10 years. So in this case, he was born on. If you go like this, he was born on 1995, March 9th. That's simple to update the date. So after filling all these things, coming to the plan. So in the previous video, we have seen how to add plans to the Ujungi. Now, if you can select the plan which he was enrolling, here he selected a quarterly 3 months plan. Automatically, we take the current date. If you want to make it as a 7th as a start date, it will calculate because it's a quarterly, the end date is 7/9. And you can have an option to select the trainer for him. In this case, it is Singham. So the price for this is 6,000, and there's a tax, all the taxes including is 450, and we are giving him $1,000 discount, and there's a registration fees of 100. So Ojungi automatically calculates the final price and provides it. So we can also update the mode of payment, like how he's planning to pay, and if you want to keep any customers information. And you can also internally assign, for example, here we are assigning to Krishna ji to follow up with him from our gym on 17th of the month. And when you click enroll and pay, you will be seeing the snapshot of all this information, the customer information, the plan details, the payment mode, what he has done, and all those things. If anything is incorrect, you can click the back button. If everything is sure, just click enroll and pay. This is that simple. He is in our database. So once he's in our database, you can actually keep any customers notes about this particular customer, or you can do anything, and you can update all his height, weight, and all the other parameters, and you can see the payment history. Like he has to pay 5,550. It's a quarterly plan, and whom we are assigning. Here we assign Krishna G to follow up, and you can see the plan details. If you want to update with a picture, you can click change here and you can keep a picture and update it. This is that simple to add a person, a customer into the Wajingi database. Thank you very much.